Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions victory, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and work on all conditions and every option expiry every week or monthly, whatever you do. Our clients and we prefer to do weekly options. So in every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, when, how, why it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is October 14, 2022, Friday. In this video, we'll be discussing about the market performance for this day. Before we go into that, we'll just give the Nifty range, Nifty closure today, Nifty and BankNifty, and then discuss about other things. Nifty closed 1%, 17,185.70, while BankNifty closed 39,305.60, 1.75% up. What had happened? I would request people to see the video. Day before yesterday itself, we told that Dow, Nasdaq, S&P is oversold and we expected day for yesterday, that is Wednesday, US markets to go up by 1 to 1.25% or 1.5%. People can see my video. Why? Because of short covering rally. That day it didn't come, yesterday it came. Though the CPI number was worse than what market has expected, still the short covering rally propelled the market up. Why? Because it opened significantly gap down and touching the lower Bolinger Band. I am talking of Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, and thereafter bears could not exercise control and they lost control, due to which there is a powerful short covering rally, which was reflected in the daily chart, which engulfed the previous 5 candles, and also in the weekly chart it has formed a powerful reversal till now, because today is the last day of the week ending, and in the 5-hour chart and 1-hour chart also it has formed a powerful, obviously, because it formed in 1 hour and 5 hour, it translated into daily. At this point in time, Dow, S&P and Nasdaq, Dow in particular, which was well below the Bolinger lower band in the monthly chart, now moved above it, which is a good sign. But whether it is going to hold it till the end of the month, we have to wait and see. We have to see how the market goes. So now coming back to our Indian market, yesterday because of such a move, though day for yesterday the closure was not good, our market bounced, opened a gap up. It did exactly the opposite of US market. What US market did? Opened a gap down near the Bolinger lower band and then moved up. Our markets opened a gap up above the Bolinger Middle Band in the daily chart, and then it could not hold above and it came down. Why? Because 17,275 levels or 350 level, 354, there are many levels, 354 up to 354, there are many hurdles. Nifty could not sustain above that level on a closing basis. Why? Because there is bearish pressure. Even the IT stocks like Infy, which was at one point in time 4% or so up, came down. SCL also came down from, though it closed positively, it came down. And banking stocks, excepting HDFC Bank, other banking stocks all came down. ICICI Bank, in fact, the opening and the high for the day is at the same level. What it reflects? It reflects that it could not hold at the higher level. I am not saying that it is a trend reversal or anything. Each day something will perform. So due to which, what is happening? Nifty is operating in a very narrow range of 16,800 on the lower level, 950 are on the lower level, and on the upper range at 17,450 level. That is the range within which it is operating. Unless otherwise it decisively breaks either side, we are going to see this level operating for some more days. That is how it is. Now let's look at individual components, how it happened. On banking, SBI jumped up 1%, AU, ICICI Bank 2 and Kotak 2% up, HDFC Bank and Federal 3% up, which I told. Finance, M&M Finance 1% up, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, IDFC 2% up. HDFC Twins moved up, that is why you saw a good up move in Nifty as well as BankNifty. Though HDFC is not part of BankNifty, HDFC Bank moved up. Insurance, SBI Life fell 1%, SBI Cards 2% down, ICICI Pru Life 2% up. Oil and Telecom, Bharati and Reliance both remained flat. We have been telling about Reliance and Bharati. People will say, oh, Reliance, it will go 5,000, 8,000, whatever numbers they want, they will tell. It's not going up. It will not go anywhere. At least till we see strong up move happening. In the IT, Birlasoft, Intellect, LTTS, LTTE, LTI, Emphasis, Techam all up by 1%. HCL and Mindtree 2% up. Cofor 3% up. Infi 4% up. Infi was up even more. I think 4.5% or so it was up at one point in time. Thereafter it came down. Even HCL. But the kind of candle that Infi and HCL formed, it's not convincing. And again, the 161.6 Fibonacci retracement in the daily chart is just few points away for HCL Tech. So I don't know how far this up move can sustain. Anyway, we'll see. Consumer, Asian Paints and Trent 1% down, Bata 3% down, ITC, Nestle and Titan 1% up. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, M&M 1% down, Motors and Sumi and Escorts 2% down. And metals, Hindalco JSW 1% down, Vedanta 2% down, National Aluminium 3% down, Coal India 1% up, NMDC 2% up, and MGL 3% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo 1% up, Divi's, Dr. Reddy, Lalpath and Sun Pharma all 1% up like Apollo. In the others, DLF, Adani Enterprise, Jubilant Food 1% down, Delta Corp 2% down, 1% up in India Mart and Zomato, L&T Crisil, L&T Aries, Havels and UPL up by 2%. Range. With all these things, what do we expect option range for Nifty for next week? It's very difficult. It is very difficult to give range, frankly speaking. Why? Because Nifty is just below the Bolinger Middle Band. BankNifty is just touching the Bolinger Middle Band. So it went up, it came down. So it's just between the upper band and the lower band. The train can move in any direction depending on the global market sentiments and overall trend. However, there are levels that are acting as resistance and support at each range. Hence, for this week, at least another 4 trading days is there. We are giving a slightly broad range at this point in time. On the lower level, 16,661.41 is the extreme resistance point, support point, above which 16,708.10 will act as a resistance. So the first support point we say is 16,708.8.1. If that is broken down, 16,661.41. On the upper side, the same number that I always give, 17,354.10. If that is broken, taken out decisively and market goes above it, then we expect 17,718.30. Bank Nifty 37,660.20, it will act as a support. If that is broken down, 37,092.30, that will act as a very strong support. On the resistance level, the same level, 39,456.20. What is this level? Again, I have told many times, September 23rd closing, where the gap was created. Till date, we have not filled the gap. Please note that point. If that is taken out decisively, please see the word I am using, decisively. That's important. It's not like meekly it is taking up, the next day it will go open, gap down, can come down. And if that is taken out decisively, then the next level to watch is 4429.40. Again, what is this level? This is the September 23rd opening of that level. So, hope you trade safely, invest wisely. Thank you very much.